Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's do the quick reading whether your person misses you or not. So I will take three piles and I'll shuffle in front of you, okay, in front of the cameras. So to choose pile, I have three pens. These are different color pens. So you can take it as a pile number one. This is pink pen, okay, and next is pile number two. This is a green pen, and for the pile number three you can take this orange pen. So I'll show you like this. So this is pile number one, this is pile number two, and this is pile number three. So please choose with your intuition which you are most drawn to, and then I'll start a reading. Okay, I hope you have chosen your number or the pen. So let's start with pile number one, that is a pink pen. Okay, whoever chooses this pen, this reading is for those people. Okay, and please keep in mind that this is a general reading, so maybe all the messages would not resonate with you, so please take what resonate and leave the rest. And if you like my reading, you can support my channel by subscribing and pressing the bell button, so that every time I upload the video you can get the notification and you can check my video. Okay, so let's start with pile number one. So please think of your person and ask yourself, ask the universe whether your person misses you or not. Okay, universe, please tell me whether the person of pile number one misses them. You got the Emperor. He might be the Aries, or you might be the Aries, or having the Aries placement. Death, Scorpio energy. Ten of Pentacles. So let me tune into the energies. Emperor, Death, and Ten of Pentacles. Some of you may be dealing with a person who is already married or maybe in a committed relationship. It's not for everyone, but few of you might be dealing with a person who is already committed or have a family, wife and children. I feel this person is struggling with his own life drama. Right now, he is very busy with his own stuff. He has a lot on his plate. I think there are some problems going on with his family. It could be work also. So as of now, I don't think he is an energy of missing you, or he already has so much on his plate that he is so focused on his solving his own problem that he do not have any time to think about any other person apart from him or his family or his work. Let me pull out few more cards for you. Please universe, please tell me whether person of pile number one misses them. You got the Ace of Swords, air energy. This is Four of Pentacles, earth energy. This is Five of Pentacles. So maybe some of you had a fight in the past with them, and now they wanna come with the communication. They do want to communicate with you, but they are so stubborn that because they possess this Emperor energy, and this Emperor is a very strict man, very serious man, and he has his own rules. He never listens to anybody else. he do what he wants to do, whether someone like it or not. So this is a very stubborn person. So even if this person misses you, he won't tell you until he wants to show his feeling to you. You cannot force this kind of person to blur out what they are feeling or not. So as was a question whether this person misses you or not, I think sometimes he does think about you. Even if you are with this person, maybe you are already married to this person or in a relationship, but the things are not going very smooth right now. So he's a kind of person, he's very opinionated. He wants you to agree with him rather than he will agree with you. You're getting my point. But just give him some time and he will come up with a communication with you. If you are with this person, give him some space, give him some time to think over the situation if you had any fight. And if you are not with the person, then also give them some time, because he is doing with a lot of stuff in his own life. So he really need to recover from those stuff before he can come forward and talk to you. He's very possessive over this person is very materialistic. So he's very possessive over his wealth, over his family, whatever thing he feels that is creating a foundation in his life. He don't want to lose his stability for anything or anyone. So right now I don't feel he misses you much, but he does think about you. I know it's not a very nice thing to hear, but I only interpret what the card says. So I'm just only the messenger. Please don't hate me for this. So pile number 1, this was your reading. I hope you get some messages that helped you. So thank you, pile number 1. I will see you in the next reading. So let's move to pile number 2. Whoever chooses this green color pen. So let's see whether your person misses you or not. So think of a person and then ask yourself, ask your higher self and universe whether this person misses you or not, and while I pull the card for you. Okay. Please universe, please tell me whether the person of pile number 2 in the system. 2 of swords. I think they're confused over something. Maybe they're confused about their feeling, whether they like you or not, or misses you not, anything. Or maybe the work situation. He seems confused and two-minded over something. Queen of Wands. This is the fire energy. This is how this person sees you. A confident lady, very intelligent, very beautiful, very attractive. He's very fascinated with you. Five of Swords. Two Swords card. So maybe he might be a Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. These are the air signs. Very communicative. Hierophant. Taurus. This is a Taurus card. This card signifies order, authority, teacher, boss, mentor. So the person you are asking about may be your mentor or boss, or maybe someone from authority, like a father figure. Hermit, Virgo energy. Ace of Pentacle. New start, new beginning, but very slow moving. So let's see whether your person misses you or not. Bottom of the deck, King of Cups. So overall I get yes, this person does miss you. Maybe this person has done something behind your back or get away sneakily and you came to know about that. You are seeing him. He knows you watching. He knows he cannot hide from you. You always know what he's up to. So no matter what he does, where he hides, you always know what is he up to. So he is little intimidated by you. Though this person is very authoritative, very uh, traditional follower, he abide by rules, societal rules, and you might be someone who is very ferocious, very bold. You don't think much about what people are thinking, but this person is like opinion of others matters to him. And he also wants to start something new with you. It could be a business, it could be a start of new relationship, it could be anything. He wants to start something with you. And because this reading is in the context more of a love reading, so I believe that this is the start of a new relationship. If you had a fight in the past or you are currently not gelling well, so he wants to mend that conflict and come forward and give you this new beginning. He wants to start anew. So expect a communication, or he will come with an offer with you, to you. Right now he's contemplating about the things, what he wants from this connection. Okay, this person is very wise. I can see that in the cards, that he is a very wise person. He knows what he's doing, he knows what he wants, but when it comes to you, he is little bit confused with this Two of Swords energy. He don't know where this relationship will go, or this connection will go, whether he would be able to handle this, or you would be able to handle this or not. So he's a bit confused. But if I ask whether this person misses you or not, yes, this person definitely misses you, and he wanna give you a new beginning. He or she, whatever his gender is. Tarot cards are gender neutral. It just read energy. So please keep this in mind. If I say he or she, maybe, so don't take it literally. Just know that I'm talking about your person. So this was your reading, pile number 2. Yes, your person misses you, but he needs some time to contemplate whether what he wants from this connection. Okay, and he certainly wanna give you this new beginning, and he will. At least he gonna talk to you. He will give you offer. Now it's up to you what you will do with this offer. Whether you're gonna accept it or reject it, it's totally up to you. Okay, so thank you, pile number 2, for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. So let's move to pile number 3. Whoever have chooses this orange pen. Okay, let's begin with your reading. Pile number 3. So universe, please tell me whether the person of pile number 3 misses them. Ace of Cups. This person is in love with you. Very good card to start a reading. Regarding to it, please check me whether the person of pile number 3 misses them. Another Ace. I think this is someone you have started a new relationship, or maybe want to start a new relationship. It's a very new energy. start of passionate and grounded relationship where you mutually admire each other. Seven of Rods. He don't want you to give your attention to anybody apart from him. You want to clear the field. He don't want a competitor, and if there is a competitor, he is willing to fight for you. He's not gonna let you go. He or she. This tarot cards are gender neutral. Six of Swords. He's moving towards you. If you have not met this person, maybe if you have not started a relationship with him, so he's coming towards you. He wants to start a relationship with you. You want to leave everything behind that could be a hurdle between you and him or her. Just want to come forward and give you this cup of love. This could be a water sign as well. Pisces, Scorpio, and which one is third? Cancer. Yes, very emotional, very in touch with their emotions, and when they decide that they want you, they're gonna pursue you. You might be a fire sign, or maybe an air sign. Oops, too many cards. I won't take them. So, Universe, please tell me whether the person of pile number 3 in this system. Oh my god, why too many cards are falling? This one. Two of Swords. It feels like if he's coming towards you, or if he has started a new relationship with you, it has taken so long for him to decide to come forward. So it's a very big step for them. Eight of Swords. He's very passionate about you. Yes, definitely this person misses you. He misses you every moment of his life, even if he is with you or if he has not proposed you yet. Whatever the case may be, in all scenarios, he just misses you a lot. He's very passionate about you. He really admires you. He loves your energy, and he really don't want to let you go. He don't want to share you with someone else, and he is really willing to fight for you. So this was a very quick messages for you, pile number 3. This is the best reading. This is the best pile in this reading, in this video. So congratulations, pile number 3. This person really loves you. So he might stay away from you. You might stay in a different state, or maybe he has just gone for the holiday and now he's coming back. He really want to see you, and he really want to talk to you, go on a date, and he just can't resist you. He's very passionate about it. So pile number 3, this was your reading. I hope you like the messages. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, my viewers, for your love and support. I really appreciate your time and efforts, and please like my channel and support my channel. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you.